All right, everyone, winter storm watch for our Red River Valley counties. Notice out to the east in Minnesota, this storm is going to have lower impact out that way, but we could have some downright nasty, windy and snowy conditions here in the counties you see shaded in yellow. It begins actually late Thursday night, but all of the impacts will be on our Friday morning and afternoon commutes. We'll have hour-by-hour details. Let's get right to the snowfall potential with this system. Where you see the deep blue colors here, that's where we're expecting the best chance at seeing some 4 to 8 inch total snowfall amounts, and we could even see a little bit more than that in some areas, but a fairly wide area of 3 to 6 plus. That does include us here near the FM area as well. A rapid drop-off as we go into central parts of North Dakota, a rapid drop-off in northern and parts of central Minnesota as well, as it diagonals from the Maddock area through the Highway 200 corridor, Valley City. Parts of western Cass could get a little bit more than us here in the FM area and into the Sisseton Hills. So here's how it times out. In the morning Friday, the snow will have been going all night up in the Devil's Lake Basin. So your morning commute up there will already have snow on the ground and the wind will be increasing out of the east. You can see the area of low pressure right here with those winds spiraling in that counterclockwise fashion. Gusty east winds here with snow just getting started in the Southern Valley. So it'll be tricky travel, but not as much accumulation on the ground for the beginning of our day. Now, as we head toward the midday hours, the snow just continues. The wind, it just increases. We're talking gusts over 40 miles per hour. Looks like along the I-94 corridor and right here through the southern Red River Valley. So the lunch hour, things getting very greasy across a large portion of our area. Light snow. Look at these temperatures up here in northern Minnesota. That's going to be that ice crystal fluffy stuff that blows around. And some heavier snow potential down south. As we head toward the evening drive, it will have been snowing most of the day in Fargo, most of the day in Valley City, Grand Forks as well. So those snow accumulations will have a big impact on your commute in the evening. And as we head toward the late evening hours, the snow exits to the south and it's out of here. Saturday morning, we get a chance to clean everything up. 27 in Fargo now, south wind only 7 miles per hour. It's 52 in Pierre, 55 in Rapid City, and 16 in Baudette. There's the freezing line, still 30 in Jamestown after 38 gorgeous degrees today. A little cooler today in Grand Forks at 21. Some snow showers working their way out of Winnipeg into Kittson County, Cavalier County, Pembina County. Starting to see a couple of flakes of snow. Nothing too significant, and it's out of here by around 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures fairly steady as we go through the evening hours. It will be less breezy and then picking up overnight. Clouds, patchy fog, and a north wind to start your day. Tomorrow will be gray, and because the wind is from the north, it's going to be cooler in almost all locations. And in fact, look at these temperatures now in the morning. Falling temperatures in northern Minnesota, falling temperatures in the valley through the afternoon, and it will be a cooler day as well out in places like Jamestown and Ellendale, Oaks as well. Falling into the teens for most of us as we head into our afternoon hours. The wind decreases though and switches direction, becomes southerly as we head into the night hours. And as I said, late Thursday night, generally around that 10 o'clock hour, the snow is expected to begin and snow all night in the Devil's Lake Basin. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Fargo 8:09 sunrise, temperatures slowly falling through the morning hours into the teens. That's where we're going to park the jalopy for the rest of the day. In those teens with winds that will be northeasterly and fairly quiet. I don't expect snowflakes here in Fargo for our Thursday. 5:03 the time of sunset. Now look at Frankie. Enjoying a little bit of the warm up out there, but definitely has the booties ready for action. Pam, thank you so much for keeping us in the loop with Frankie's ongoing activities. Okay, Thursday night snow begins, lasting most of the day Friday. Exiting, it's going to come with wind, blowing snow, difficult travel conditions. Make sure you have that Valley News Live weather app handy. Colder on Sunday, but it's brief. Watch what happens on Sunday. After a cool Saturday, we'll see temperatures lurch right back up to near 30 degrees. There will be a snow chance there. Martin Luther King Jr. Day still, as that system exits, will be cooler, but average for this time of the year, 18 degrees. Then the Arctic air returns. We're sub-zero all day by the middle of next week, Mike.
It still's January.
It is.
All right.